Hi, Dr. Archie here. I'd like to show you how to make other regression equations using Excel, ones besides just for lines. Okay. So just like for lines, first thing you're going to want to do is get your data into Excel. So I've got a column with my X values and a column with my Y values. Okay. Then just going to highlight the data and ask Excel to make me a nice little scatter plot. And now that I can see the data, I can try and guess what kind of function would be a good one to model this. And it looks kind of U-shaped, so I'm thinking quadratic. So let me go into this plus. What do I want to add? I want to add a trend line. Well, not really a line, so I click on that little arrow. I want more options. I would like to use a polynomial. I want it to be order 2 because, 3 doesn't make it any better, so just stick with 2. Plus, I said quadratic, so better stick with what I said. Okay, and then if I scroll down, I can ask it to display the equation on the chart. And if you ever need the r squared, which is a measure of how good your equation fits your data, then click back on your line and click on this thing that looks like a bar graph. And you can also check to display the r squared. And r squared close to 1 means that your equation fits the data pretty well. So 0.88, that's quite good. And here's my equation. Y equals 2.169x squared minus 18.242x plus 48.69. I can just read that off and use it for anything that I need my regression for. Okay, so notice I do have some other choices of what kind of functions to use, for example, exponential or logarithmic, popular things, and the one you want to choose is going to depend on the shape of the data or possibly what's asked for in the problem. They may tell you.